the day that you were born in the month. And do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so whose birthday is in January? January should be 2 people. Birthdays in January. Nobody's birthdays in January? Okay, let's move on to February.
My birthday's in February.
What's the day?
4th.
My birthday is in February as well.
Okay, so we're gonna
Miss
go by
Wallace,
yes.
my birthday is in January.
Okay. All right, so get the text box, click on the T text box, write your name.
No, it has to start like now, but like the teacher didn't send us anything.
What?
You see the T here? You're gonna click into this, click on the text box, and then you're going to make a box and write your name and the date.
Wait,
Wait,
Miss
what?
Wallace,
Because you only gave us
we
the view only
can't do
option.
that. This is only
Right.
view only. We can only
You
view.
said the view only, so we
Miss
can't write.
Wallace,
Yeah.
Right, because
I can't find it.
The text box?
we can only view it. We can't actually edit it.
No, I can't
All right.
find it.
So I'm gonna resend
Have to
it.
get permission.
I'm gonna send it to you again. No worries. I'm gonna send it
You
to you
can
again.
request edit access.
No, don't request edit access. I'm gonna send it to you. Okay. Second year, go into Classroom, Maya, and check to see if they sent you the invitation for gym.
Oh, and hello, Audrey.
What?
All right, so I'm gonna click. Students can edit. I'm gonna send it to you right now, guys. You're just gonna click on it.
Wait.
Audrey, how was summer?
All right, so let's do that again.
I'll call you later.
All right, you guys see it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
yes.
And we,
The stream was uploaded to
we can do it.
Okay.
And let's try to do this quickly and one at a time so we can get to the other stuff. For 90 minutes.
Miss Wallace, you want all of us to write our birthdays down?
Huh? I can't hear you. Hey.
Miss Wallace, you want all of us to write our birthdays down?
Yeah, but we're gonna try to do it one at a time so that it's not
Okay.
overpopulated, okay?
Yep.
Okay, Maya, here's your gym class. Okay, very good. Are you guys writing it in? Okay, very good.
I can't
You
edit
don't
it.
Okay, mine just like loading in.
know it is? Okay, just let it load.
Audrey, how was summer?
Gaming.
Right.
No, I
Say hi.
Jeez.
Can I just say hi? Hi.
Why this next box is so ginormous?
Hi.
You can just put your first name, Lashika. Okay, yeah, very good. Divyam, you could just put your first name and the day. Neil, you don't have to put the whole birthday. You just put the day. And Neil, you said
Okay.
your birthday is in September, not August, right? It says 9.
I am born in August.
But why did you put 9? It says 9/17/2010.
The month. It's the month.
Neil, there's already a month, August. We know that.
Yeah, but the month in August is 8. It's 8, not 9, right?
So, also, yes, it is.
And my birthday is in October, so I'll put mine in. I'll put mine at the bottom.
Text box. No, I have to. Text box.
This is horrible. It's so confusing.
That's why I wanted to do one at a time, but everybody just jumped in.
But
Yeah, I know.
I can't write it. I can't write it. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, my text box is like.
Yeah, just
I can't.
No, I can't.
you guys have your text box. Miriam, you don't have to put February, and you don't have to put February because February is already there.
Miss Wallace,
Yes.
how do you access the slide?
You have to go on.
It's in Google Classroom.
Yeah.
It's in Google Classroom. I assigned it because
Okay, mine is like. I can't. For some reason. It's just not working.
who said it's not working? Who's that?
No,
I'm
it's
not
like
looking
working.
for
My text box. It doesn't say view only, but like. I want to reload this.
Okay, I put in my birthday. Krista, you just have to put the day. So all you're doing is putting your name and the day. So if your day is the 20th day, you're writing 20. Krisha, you don't have to put July. Very good, Emma. Emma, you did it perfectly. Neil, you did it perfectly. Yami, you don't have to put the year. Vivian and Rashika, you did it perfectly. Very good. Emma, you don't have to put your last name. You just have to put your first name.
Okay.
Let's see. Jeet, you can get rid of February. Hassan, you don't need the whole birthday, just the day. So it's Hassan and 23, not 6/23/2010. Okay.
Okay, now never mind. My text box is working now.
Yeah, sometimes
Okay, this is working. This
it's a while to
works.
load. Don't worry.
Mine is still loading.
Huh?
Mine is still loading.
Okay, no problem. We'll wait.
This is so. It's like. Okay, fine.
Jeet, you can get rid of the February and just put the day.
Here, I have to. I'm gonna full screen this. Well, what if I do it?
Yami, you can get rid of anything. You know, I'll get rid of it.
Okay.
Right, did everybody do theirs? All right, Ivy,
No, I still want to put mine, so it's
No.
Emma made hers fantastic. Oh, I love this. Is why I wanted you guys to do it so you can put your own flavor on it, to put your own personality.
I'm still putting mine.
Okay. And somebody said they were January, but they're not here. We're missing like some people.
Yeah, I know, because like mine is. No.
Yeah, there's
My birthday's in
23 people in this meet.
Miss
Oh my
Wallace.
There's supposed to be at least 24. I think.
Yeah, we
Miss
need
Wallace.
Yes.
My birthday's in January, but my birthday's in January, but I can't get onto the slide.
Okay, you want me to do it for you? Okay. Who's
Come on.
speaking? And tell me the day.
Okay.
Yes.
Me, Anshi.
Anshi,
Oh, come on.
with A-N.
And
Mommy, can
yeah,
Is that correct? And what's the
S-H-I.
Oh. Okay.
It's A-N-S-H-I.
A-N-S-H-I? I got it. And what is the day?
Yeah.
No.
January
This is
24.
so hard. Yeah. Oh no. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, yeah, mine. Thank you.
Okay, very nice.
Okay, and my birthday.
All right, we're gonna get out of this now, and then we're gonna talk about Google etiquette, how you're supposed to be on Google Meet. So I'm going to, hopefully everybody did theirs. I think I'm missing one person January, another person August, somebody November, and somebody in, Adreed, what month are you?
Yeah, I'm November. Yeah, I put it there.
Okay, you did it. Perfect.
Okay. I put it there last time, didn't I?
Yeah, and I think Aroka is doing hers. Okay, looks good. Emma put a smiley face. All right, so let's talk about etiquette real quick, and then we're gonna go into our activity. There's no gym, don't worry about it. Just go downstairs for a little bit. I'll call you.
Why they said
Yeah, but she's not set up yet. She's not set up yet.
Okay, put that.
Oh, they have something about villains, Maya, that you need to watch. Here, take it and go over there and watch. All right, so Google etiquette, it's right here. Just click on it and watch it at your desk. All right, so Google Meet etiquette. What does etiquette mean, boys and girls?
Wait, I'm gonna have to.
Can everybody see my slide?
Yes.
Yes.
All right,
Yep.
okay. So, Google Meet etiquette. What does etiquette mean?
Etiquette's like. Okay.
like? Does it mean like rules?
Right, how you're supposed to behave. So the first thing is your mic should be on. All right, let's go in order. So first thing, be on time. You need to be organized, be prepared, and make sure your device is charged. Presentation.
Oh, good kid.
Make sure you to check your surroundings. Can we see you? Are you dressed appropriately? Make sure that you're in an area where it's private and nobody is seeing your room. Just like a wall. You see how I have a green screen behind me? So that it's appropriate. Third most important thing, in my opinion, is to mute your mics. You have to mute yourself. If you're not talking, your mic should be muted. Okay, so that we're not getting all that feedback. If you're not talking, your mic is muted. Thank you. And then participation. You see my crazy face? Look at me. Be focused, be attentive, be an active participant. All right, so those are our rules. It's going to be always there in Google Classroom. That's what I expect all the time. All right, now I want you to click into the Figure Me Out project in Google Classroom.
I'm there.
Are we in? Okay, so this is what your end product is going to look like. This is my project that I did. I'm waiting for it to load. So this is a math project, Figure Me Out. You're going to put in a equation with a heading, and we need to solve that equation in order to figure out what the answer is. Everybody see it? Hey, is everybody here? Can everybody see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. All right, I'm waiting for it to load back up. My computer is very slow. All right, so I have different categories. You don't have to use the ones I have. You can make up your own. I have age, I have shoe size, I have birthday month, I have years teaching, I have my favorite number, I have my pets owned, sports played, and the members of my family. So let's solve my equations first. How old am I based on this equation? And you could unmic yourself if you want to speak. You know what? I'm gonna do a split screen because I need to see you guys. I can't see you, and it's driving me bananas that I can't see you. Okay, now I can see you. Okay. All right. Who wants to solve my age? Abropa.
Your age is 38.
Okay, I'm gonna move my little because I have it hidden.
Your age is 38.
Okay, do you guys agree? Yep, it's 38. Did you see I moved it and you can see my age, 38? All right, what's my shoe
38.
size? Hassan?
Eight.
8. Do we agree? Yes. Okay, my birthday month. Which you should know because we already saw that. All right, Ashlyn?
10.
10, which is October. Yep. Years teaching.
Miss Wallace,
Anybody want to type it? Yes.
I got disconnected. Is there anything I missed for like a minute?
Oh yeah, we're just looking at my project and we're trying to answer the question. So
Okay.
I'm gonna use my my randomizer to pick people to answer the questions, so that I get everybody.
Are we answering years teaching?
Miss Wallace.
Yeah, years teaching.
Miss Wallace.
Am I yes?
I have a question about the project. So for sports
Yes.
played, can swimming count as a sport?
Okay. My
Say it again, Emma.
So,
Can swimming count as a sport?
Yes, absolutely. It is a sport.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, Ayush, you have years teaching. What did you get for your answer? 4 to the power of 2.
I think that's. Wait.
Ayush, you have the answer?
42.
No, 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. All right. Favorite number. What's my favorite number? And I'm randomizing, and the lucky person that's answering is Ayusha. Ayusha, what is my favorite number based on that equation? Remember to unmute yourself when you're ready to anybody want to help Ayusha? Anybody remember PEMDAS? PEMDAS?
Yeah, I
Did you do
remember.
PEMDAS in 4th grade?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
So PEMDAS, you're doing what's in the parentheses first. So 7
Yeah,
plus 3 is
10.
10.
10.
10.
I answered that, but
And 10 times 10 is 100, not 20. So that's wrong. I have the wrong answer.
okay.
Okay, pets owned. What's 1,000 to the power of 0? And the randomizer picks Yami. Okay, you can go downstairs for a little bit until 11. Yami, do you have the answer for that?
You own 0 pets?
I own 0 pets. Do we agree?
Yes.
Actually, 1,000 to the power of 0 is 1. 1, not 0. 1. Any number to the power of 0 is 1. All right, sports played. -1 plus 1. And that question goes to Naya. Is Naya here?
Oh,
2.
Actually, it's 0 because you have 1. If you switch it around and you put the positive number first, that equation turns into 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. And last question, family members. How many family members do I have? 1/8 of 40, and that question goes to Anshi.
1/8.
Anshi, you have a question? You have an answer, I'm sorry. You have your answer? Okay, so 1/8 of 40 just simply means 40 divided by 8. Everybody, what's 40 divided by 8?
5.
Sorry.
Five.
5.
Sorry, my mic was
5.
5.
5.
Problem.
my mic.
No. Go read it. 5. That is correct. Go on. Put it down. All right.
My
so
mic was just off.
No problem. All right. So everybody, I want you to go into your figure me out workshop. Looks like this. Look into it in Google Classroom. It looks like this. Can everybody see my
Yes.
my board? All right. So we're gonna learn how to set up this page. So the first thing you want to do is we're going to change our background. Don't worry, you could change your background again to a different color, but I'm going to show you the basics. So you're going to right click. And then you're going to go to background. And then you're going to go to any color you want or a gradient. So I'm going to pick, just to keep it simple, I'm going to pick this blue. So my whole background is going to change to blue. Can you guys do that now for me, please?
Real.
And then give me a thumbs up when you are done.
Wait, what did we do?
So we're changing our background. We're gonna right click. Yes.
When I right click, it doesn't show the box where it says background for me.
Say it again. I didn't hear that.
Okay.
When I right click on the mouse, it doesn't show the box that has the background. It doesn't show it for me.
What does it show for you?
It shows nothing.
It shows nothing when you right click? Are you pressing the right one?
If it doesn't,
All right, so if it's not showing up, you could go to
if it doesn't work with right click, you just click both of the sides and it will work.
which maybe you have to click the other button then if the right click is not working for you.
Yes, I have to click the other button. I figured
You have
it out.
Okay, all right.
No, my right click's working.
All right, so we're good with that?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody go with that? All right, so the next thing we're gonna do,
How do I delete this?
Miss Wallace.
you don't delete, you just change the background again. So if you don't like the color that you picked, just right click again and change the color again. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes? Emily, remember if you're not talking, you should be muted. Emily, you have a question?
I didn't quite see what you did to put.
Okay, so I'll do it again. So you're going to right click, and then you're gonna scroll down to background, and then you're gonna choose your color that you want.
Miss Wallace, nothing happened.
Got it, Emily? Who said nothing happened?
Nothing happened.
You
when I
see?
like-
So click something else. Click the other button. Did it work?
No,
What kind of computer do you have?
a MacBook Air.
Yeah, that one is tricky. Is that like the 2-finger one?
You have to
So
click
some
both
of
the
them-
sides.
All right, try to click both buttons and see what happens. Somebody
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay, perfect. All right, so now we're gonna put our lines in. So you see where the cursor is? There is a line. Yes.
Mine doesn't work.
Okay, did you right click? What kind of computer do you have, Yami?
What?
What kind of computer do you have?
I have a Chromebook.
You have a Chromebook. Does anybody have a Chromebook that can help Yami with how to right click? Divam, can you tell her?
You have to click both of them at the same time.
What?
Okay. Yami, he said
You have to click both of them
them at the
sides
same time.
Uh,
Click both buttons at the same time. Did it work?
Then what do I?
And then you go to background. You see background?
No.
And then you don't see background?
No.
All right, so if you're having issues with the background color, you could also go to Insert, Image, Search Web, and then you could look for something different. You could put a picture in the background, but don't make it too dizzy because then it will be hard to read. So suppose I want the color green. I would type green in, and then it would give me colors. And I would pick one, or I'll pick this one because this looks interesting. And then I would select it. And then insert it into my, and now it's creating, and I would just spread it out to make, so you have that option also. Okay, Yami?
Okay.
All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to make our lines. So we're gonna click on, you see where the selector button is, or the cursor, or the arrow button is? You're gonna go next to it. And then you're gonna click the down arrow. And you're gonna go to line. You want a line. You're gonna click on line. Then you're gonna take that line. Remember, we need to put it in threes. So you have to make sure it is as straight as possible. Going down to the end of the paper or the page. And then you let it go, but then you have to click on the arrow again so that it doesn't mess up. And then we want to make it a little thicker. So you click on, you see where the pencil is with the darkened line? You could click 2 to make it a little bit thicker, and you could change the color to, maybe I want my color to be white. Okay? And instead of making another line, okay, did everybody make their line? Thumbs up if you have your line. Okay, perfect. I'll wait. And instead of making another line, we're gonna duplicate it. We're gonna hit. It depends on your computer. On my computer, it's Control D or Shift D. Or you could go up here to File. If you're having trouble finding it. Oh, Edit. And then you're gonna click on Duplicate to duplicate the line. And then now you have 2 lines. And then you could bring it to the other side. And my line is not that straight. I have to fix this line. My line is looking a little bit rusty. Make sure to try to make your lines neat. So usually I'm much neater than this. Okay, it doesn't look bad. Yes.
How do you duplicate it?
So I went to Edit. Make sure you click on the line first, okay? Make sure you click on the line, and then you go to Edit and click Duplicate. Scroll down to Duplicate, and then you can duplicate, or you can hit Control D.
Okay. Actually, it stinks. Keep it on.
Okay, are we good? Everybody has 2 lines?
Yes.
Yep.
Perfect. Now we need our horizontal line. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go to our line. We're going to click on line. And we're going to this time go across. Try to do it as straight as possible. Don't be like Miss Wallace with her wobbly hands. And let it go. Then click on the select button. Change the color if you like. I'm doing mine's white. And I'm changing my thickness to 2. And then what do you think I'm going to do next with this line? Anybody want to tell me what I'm going to do next?
Duplicate it.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Very good. So you're going to hit Edit. You're going to go to Duplicate, or you can hit Control D, and then you're dragging it. Okay, now we have our line set up.
Miss Wallace,
Yes.
how did you make the line thicker?
I went to, make sure you click on the line first.
Okay.
Click on the line first, and then go to where you see line color. Next to line color is line weight. And then you click on line weight, and you can change the thickness of the line.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Line weight.
All right, how's everybody doing? Good?
Yep.
Good, perfect. All right, so now you guys have to think about what your heading is going to be. Age, shoe size, how much you weigh, your street number, how many pets you have. You have to decide that. In the middle, you're going to write in the middle. Oh, let me check mine. What did I put in the middle? This is me? Yeah. Okay, in the middle, you're going to put this is me, but you can make your writing fancy. It doesn't have to be straight writing, just normal font. You can go to Insert and go to Word Art. And then I'm gonna type in this is me. I'm gonna put 3 dots, dot, dot, dot. I think I'm gonna put an exclamation mark too, because we're fantastic. So we're gonna say, this is me. Because we're awesome. And ready?
Miss Wallace, your screen is frozen.
My screen is frozen?
No, it's back.
Okay. Sometimes it acts like that. Sometimes it's very, very tricky.
Miss Wallace, what did you click to get that?
I went to, all right, let me just click enter. So
Oh
you
my
guys-
gosh, that is big.
Right, so we're gonna shrink it and we're gonna change the font. So we went to insert and we went to word art. And then we typed it in, okay? So now you have this big old massive thing here. What you're gonna do is go to the font and you're gonna change the font. So I like Cormorant Upright. I like how that font looks. I'm gonna click that one. It's kind of fancy. And then I'm gonna change the color because right now the color is boring. I don't want that boring color. So I'm gonna pick dark blue for my inside line, and then for my outside line, you see this one next to the border, the one that says border color? I'm gonna click that one, and I'm gonna make my line red to make the border pop. But I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna go to the weight, that thickness line, and I'm gonna make it 2 times thick so that it pops. Everybody see that?
Yep.
Okay, so now I'm gonna shrink it because it's really big, it's too big. So you're just gonna shrink it until it fits the middle box. Once it fits the middle box,
Wait, how do you shrink it?
all these boxes on the side, you just put them in and push them down. You have a meeting right now. Bring your computer. Okay, so now you're going to
Wait, how do you shrink it?
you're clicking the side. Sorry, you look right here. See, if I pull it out this way, it gets bigger. If I push it in,
Oh, geez.
it gets smaller.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, got it.
we good?
I got it.
Got it? So you need a picture of yourself. Okay, so you could take a picture of anything and paste it there, or you can take a picture using your camera. Okay? Yes.
Miss Wallace, how do you like put a picture on here?
So you're gonna go to insert
Okay.
and then go on your computer to see. Your thing is dying, Maya. You gotta charge it up. You're gonna go to insert, you're gonna go to image, and you're gonna import it. Like a photo or get it. You got it? Or you can use your camera. And you can take a picture of your face and stick it in the middle. So your job, boys and girls, we're gonna come off this meet now. Your job is to fill in each box. And I'm gonna be watching you in Google Classroom because I could go into your work in Google Classroom. If you have a question for me, you could ask me and I will answer you. Got it?
Yep.
All right. Okay, so now you're gonna put your equations in. You're going to put your headings in, and I will be here to help you, all right? So this meeting is finito, and I will see you guys after math. I think after math is lunchtime. Is that right?
Yeah. Let me
Right?
hold on, let me check my schedule.
We have social studies.
No, we have social studies afterwards. So I'll meet you guys again at 12, is it 11:45? Yeah. All right, bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Wait, while we're waiting until 11:45, we do this?
Miss Wallace left, guys.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.